seen so far, this home is pretty clean. The walls are a peachy pink color and are textured. Two-tone paint, raised panel doors, upgraded light fixture, 2.5-inch faux wood blinds, except on the picture windows, of course, which isn't necessary. Carpet just needs a deep cleaning. It should be fine. It's a nice dark color. It's under $2 a square foot to replace. This backyard is great because you do have some 2 stories, but you don't have one directly behind you, so you have a little bit of privacy. We already have the concrete and the rocks in place. We do have some solar screens, which typically we have removed. Nice kitchen. Painted cabinets, space saver microwave. You might want to look at an undermount sink and a gooseneck faucet. See what Jenny says. Tile in the powder room, which is right off of the garage. We take those blinds down, or drapes, and we have vinyl. It's a nice size laundry room. Nice size garage. There's a doggy door. Upgraded fan. Nice high ceilings. Vinyl. Painted cabinets. Overall pretty good condition. Separate water closet. No caulking necessary in the tub, so that's less maintenance. Vinyl. Nice size closet. Change out those light bulbs from the curlicues to standard round ones. Nice clean property.